name is Ahmed Mirghani. I am a partner in BIM Ventures, and I am very happy and excited and thrilled to be part of LEAP. Sure. So each company in BIM Ventures go through 5 stages, which is idea stage, validation, building, go-to-market, and then we come to the spin-off phase. At the spin-off phase, we open the company for investment, and then we have our own angel group, which is called Investors Mine, and that it's responsible to manage the investment rounds. We started it in June 2021, 7 months back, and we closed 7 investment deals. So on average, we're closing 1 investment deal every month. The smallest deal we did was, I think, around 1.5 SAR, 1.5 million SAR, and the biggest was somewhere around more than 30 million riyals. So in total, it's around 50 million riyals we did in the past 6 or 7 months. We plan to exceed our track record. We hope that we can do at least 2 investment rounds every month. We're getting, we have a huge pipeline right now. So we're at the filtration process. And of course, thanks to LEAP and the hundreds of thousands of visitors, we think the pipeline will get bigger and bigger. We're still at the second day, and we're still getting so many requests and so many investment opportunities to look at. So we have no excuse but to keep on the track record right now. LEAP played a big role in driving all the traffic to us at one place. Previously, we had to look always for good deals. Now we have all the deals under one roof, and we have the right setup to create or enhance our pipeline. As BIM Ventures, we sponsored LEAP this year, and definitely we would love to do that again. And we know we took a right decision by doing that.